ఏంది బ్రో ఇట్లే ఉంటుంది బ్రో నీతో అన్నీ.
నేను కాదు బ్రో, మీ ఇంటికి మా ఇంటికి రానికి అడ్డు పోతావు.
ఏ ఫ్లోలో ఎట్లా వెళ్ళిపోయినా.
ఇంటి పక్కన ఇల్లు పెట్టుకొని ఊరు తిరుగుతావు.
వస్తాలు బ్రో. టమాటా 1 kg, దొండకాయలు 1/2 kg, వంకాయలు 1/4 kg.
పెద్ద లిస్టే ఉంది మన దగ్గర.
క్లోజ్ ఉంటుంది. ఉంది
ఎందుకేమే
ఇంత బాగుంది. అది ఇల్లు చూపిస్తావు. ఇగో అదే టీఎన్ఆర్లో ఉంటాడు. బాయా బాయ్. అది తెలిసినోడానికి కూడా ఓడాడు. Hello everyone, back to my vlog. Today right now I have to go for Bank of India, which is stay at the Huda complex. Later and again I have to go for Dilshuk Nagar. As I said before, I have to go for Bank of India at Huda complex. Later I have to go for Dilshuk Nagar to pay the LIC policy. Hate this traffic, dude. Bank of India. Guys, I'm heading towards Dilshuk Nagar. As I said before, LIC policy have to be paid. I have the details, just fill up the form and ready to pay. अरे जल्दी won't run है. So the reason I'm extending this vlog with a couple of days information, data, since it was raining from 3-4 days, I'm facing lot of issue. No enough content to make. I cannot go outside even after it's raining. Even though it's raining, I can vlog, but there is no content. Finally I got some work. That's how I'm vlogging. Let's skip the traffic and I'll show you directly at LIC. So finally done with the payment. So I just have to move towards home because it's slightly drizzling. I may face the rain, at any time, so I just have to go back to my home as soon as possible. Good thing I just wrap up my work fast enough. So right now I'm heading towards behind the Chennai shopping mall, where there is a place where we can find a good coffee, like homemade coffee. So I'm going to have a coffee, since I didn't had a coffee and a smoke since morning. So there is a shortcut from Doctor's Colony. It's a best way. Had a coffee and a smoke. Felt good, energetic. Yeah, since from yesterday, started from night 9 o'clock, I think so. It's not raining so heavily, and climate is so good. Hey bro, 220s bro. Like, I love monsoon season, dude. I love it. अरे पुराना है ना ये, मैं तो कुटा सुनो. So there is a meme like Greenwich Colony is also known as a mini Jubilee Hills in our territory. Unfortunately, I slept for 3.5 hours. Now the moment I woke up, it's raining heavily. So, and I also forgot to forgot to bring brown bread and butter. So I need to change my diet. For today I'm going to have the rice, okay? But starting from tomorrow I have to definitely eat everything. This damn sleep, man. I just felt like go for nap for 1 hour. Unfortunately it turned into 3.5 hours. Dude, I have some kind of problem with this. You see, if I completely on, it's off. There's some kind of loose connection with the battery, so I have to slide. But I think it's raining again. 5 minutes ago it was not raining properly. Yeah, it's not raining. Ew. Let's take the bread, butter, have a adrat ki chai and a smoke. Finish the job and back to the home, dude. अरे वो रन है ना. నీ అమ్మ బండి పోతానే లేదు ముందరికి అంటారు బాబు. left 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 left. Since I am already wearing a helmet, I don't have to fear from traffic police. Oh, This is a Take and Go bakery. Where should I park, dude? This is a very big issue here. I couldn't find any kind of wheat bread. I mean, wheat bread, not brown bread. It's a waste of traveling all the way from Telephone Colony to Huda Complex. Now it's raining again. I have to get back to my area. I don't know whether you people can see clearly because it's raining badly. Even I can see if I use visor. Completely blur. I'm seeing things like I'm seeing through X-ray vision. I have to find a store where I can find brown bread regularly without any hesitation. Butter I can find anywhere, even in a small grocery store I can find a butter, but finding a wheat bread is very complicated. So all of a sudden I came across, I forgot that there is a more here, so let's check it out. Unfortunately, it's again a bad news. I don't think Arun Ice Cream maintains these breads, milk, etc. There's only ice creams. Thanks. Abba, ఏం పిల్లగాడ్రా. ఛే, Abba, my handle broke, dude. It's not broken, slightly took a bend, that's it. This fellow has bread, dude. Let's ask him. People like us who wants to maintain a diet, it will be very difficult. Since I faced a small crash, I would like to have a smoke and back to home. Idapte gudalame. Oh. Since it is raining, it's very hard for me to travel. Whoa! I have to be very careful, dude. Children are too harsh. Of course, they are hasty, but not dirty. Look at this water. I'm just trying to get back to my home. All of a sudden, I came across a mini tsunami towards me. Oh, in Guda. So I want to end the vlog right now. End of the vlog. Thank you for watching. Akash Guli signing off.